Hi everybody, my name is Richard McMunn from the career guidance company howtobecome.com, and in this next training video I'm going to teach you how to pass abstract reasoning tests. I'm going to give you some tutorials and some sample questions and some tips and tricks on how to score the highest marks possible. Now, I love making these videos for you. Please, if you do like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well, because this will motivate me to do more, and you'll also get notification as soon as I create some sample questions for you. So let's get straight into a number of questions. Sample question number 1. Which shape comes next in the sequence? And this is a typical abstract reasoning type question. So you can see there that we've got 3 shapes, number 1, number 2, number 3, and we've got a question mark. So we need to decide what comes here. And as you progress with me through this training tutorial, you will notice that there are similar patterns that come up time and time again. And the key is obviously to practice loads of these, and then you automatically know what to look out for. And I will give you a list at some point soon on what you need to look out for to answer abstract reasoning tests. So these are the options. We've got A, B, C, and D. Now, this is a relatively straightforward question to answer, and we can automatically see some patterns. So if we just take away those options, A, B, C, and D, and just be left with the core question, which shape comes next in the sequence? Now, we can see some patterns straight away. So there's a number of rules which are applied, and you have to work out what they are to get to the answer. So if you notice, rule 1, the cross moves one place clockwise. So that's the cross there. Now, on the next shape, it moves one place clockwise, which is obviously to the right, as the way a clock would go, and it moves there. And it also alternates from white to black to white as it moves round. So we are looking for, in the question mark one, the next shape for the cross to be there. Then there's rule 2. Now, you'll notice that the grey dot moves one place clockwise as well. So that moves one place clockwise, so you've got the grey dot there. It stays consistent in the fact it is grey, but it moves one there, then it moves there. So in the next shape, it needs to be there. So in our head, we can work out straight away that's where they need to be. And trust me, once you practice loads of these, and I'm going to give you some free sample test questions in a little while, then it becomes easy to answer these questions. There's also one other rule, which is really obvious, and that is the fact that you'll notice the sequence alternates from black to white to black. So we are looking for something that is white. And this is a great tip, is when you're answering these questions and you automatically straight away work out a sequence, if we put up the options there, where you can eliminate straight away the black shape. So you are just left with A or D. And in a worst case scenario, if you were running out of time and you wanted to do some guessing, which is not always advised, but so long as you don't lose marks for guessing, then you could just go, well, it's going to be a white one. I'll choose between A or D, and you've got a 50-50 chance of success. So we can see there that the correct answer is D. So D is the answer to sample question 1. And like I say, you'll become so good at these once you practice loads of these questions and understand and apply the list that I'm going to show you soon, what to look out for. So now it's your turn. Have I got question 2? Please place your answer in the comments section below the video, and I'll come on each day and mark them. Question 2, there's a timer there on the right hand side, so I'm going to give you 15 seconds to answer this one. So which shape comes next in this sequence? Okay, so look out for the movement, the rotation of the star. Look at the lines as well to see whether there's any clues as to what you're looking out for. Now the options are A, B, C, D, or E. Now please put your answer in the comment section below to question number 2. I'll give you 15 seconds to answer that. It looks easy, but don't forget to double check which is the right one, because there's a few options there which it could be. Off you go, guys. So not as straightforward as it seems. Like I say, if you need more time, just pause the video, but please put your answer to question 2 in the comment section below. Okay, question number 3. Which shape completes the sequence? Now, this is a bit of a tricky one, because if you notice there, they're asking us to find out what goes there, what not comes next in the sequence, but what completes it. And this is another variation of an abstract reasoning test. So these are the options there, A, B, C, D, or E. So there's a couple of patterns there straight away that we can see. So you'll notice there that the black square, again, it's moving 90 degrees clockwise around. But you'll notice there's a white one and then there's a black one. So that tells me the one in there, where the question mark is got to be white. So automatically we could get rid of B and C if we wanted to straight away. Now you'll also now see, and this is where you need to do loads of practice, because I can tell, even though these shapes, there's no real rhyme or reason for these shapes, but they have all one thing in common, and they have 5 elements or sides to them. So that's got 5 sides there, that's got 5, that's got 5 parts, and that's got 5 parts. So automatically we can get rid of A, we can get rid of C, we can get rid of D. So it's either B or E. Well, automatically we know we need a white one and it needs to be placed there. So it's either D or E, and the correct answer, that's the only one with 5 elements. So the answer is E. So there you're looking at rotating shapes 90 degrees, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, but also how many elements or sides there are. And a lot of people fail these tests because they're looking for consistency in shapes, and it's not about that. This is just simply they've got 5 elements to them. So you need to look out for that. And like I say, the more of these you do, the better. Okay, now it's your go again, guys. I've got a question for which shape completes the sequence. Okay, so look for patterns, look for variations. Which shape completes the sequence? You're looking at which one goes there with a question mark. There's the options A, B, C, D or E. I'll give you 15 seconds, and like I say, if you need more time, please feel free to pause the video. But once you've done it, please put your answer to question 4 in the comment section below, and then we'll move on to the next one. Thank you. So there's actually alternating things there going on, alternating colours perhaps, and then different sides on shapes. Question number 5, which shape completes the sequence? Now this is a tougher one, okay? Now look out for this, because this can happen quite a lot in abstract reasoning tests. So which shape completes the sequence? So we need to find out which one starts it, not which one comes at the end, but which one here starts it. So these are the options, okay? And upon first inspection, it looks really confusing. Trust me, it looks really confusing. But what we're going to do is we're going to try and start answering this question with this one here, the first one. Now we're going to find out the sequence of what's going on that way, and then we can work backwards to the first one. Okay, so let's just pick out that first shape and drop it there in our head. So we're looking at that now. Now, if you look at this, and this again is once you practice this kind of thing, you're looking for rotations. And what is actually happening here? The entire shape is rotating 90 degrees clockwise. Not just individual shapes in the circles, but the whole one is just rotating 90 degrees. So if we turn this one here, the first one, 90 degrees to the right, it looks like that, which is exactly that one. Then if we move that one 90 degrees again, we get that one, which is the exact same shape, and so on and so forth. So to get the answer, let's take the first one, which is there again, and let's rotate it, not 90 degrees clockwise, but 90 degrees anti-clockwise, because we have to go the other way because it's going to the left and not to the right. Therefore, the correct answer is that, which is E. Now, obviously, upon first inspection, it looks really tricky, and most people won't be able to answer that. But if you know what to look for in these kind of questions, it becomes relatively straightforward. And this is what to look out for. So take a note of these. Rotating shapes, either individual shapes or as a whole. Now, in that last question, it was the entire shape that was rotating. Increases or decreases in the numbers of shapes or patterns. And also alternating patterns, colours or shapes. And also mirror images or reflections. So where the patterns alternate, the colours change from black to white, or whatever it is. But those are the 4 things, the key things to look out for. So now it's your turn again. I'm going to give you 4 test questions to have a go at, of varying degrees. Again, please put your answer in the comment section below. And once we've done these, I'm going to give you some more free test questions to have a go at. Like I say, don't forget, if you're liking the video, please give it a thumbs up. I really would appreciate that. Love making these videos for you guys. Question 6, which shape comes next in the sequence? So you're looking for which one comes here. These are your options, A, B, C or D. I'm going to give you 15 seconds. Off you go, guys. Thank you. So don't forget what you've learned, alternating colours, increases or decreases in shapes or movement of shapes. Question 7, which figure is the odd one out? A, B, C or D? please put your answer in the comment section below and also state why. Why is it which one you've chosen? Looks easy, but it's not. Okay, question number 8. Which figure comes next in the sequence? So we're looking for one which goes there. Now, remember what I said about movement of shapes and colours and patterns? Have a look which way the shapes are moving. Look for consistency in the shapes as well. Those are your answers, A, B, C or D. You might have to pause the video for this one, but I'll give you 15 seconds. Off you go, guys. Thank you. And if you're getting these right, then you're doing fantastic, trust me. Question number 9. Which figure comes next in the sequence at the end? Again, rotating of shapes, changes of patterns, etc. You've got A, B, C, D or E. And you've got 15 seconds to answer this. Thank you, guys. So well done if you've reached or answered all of those questions and had a go at them. What I'd like to do now is click the link below the video and it will take you through to my webpage where you can get free access to more tests. Like I say, don't forget to put your answers to the questions and I'll comment and mark them every day. Hope you've enjoyed that video. Please, like I say, give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. It'll motivate me to do more. Love helping you guys. I'll also put a link below this video. If you want to download the slides to this presentation, you can get them on SlideShare. Just click the link below where it says show more. And you can also connect with me on LinkedIn as well. Say hi. But thanks for watching and I wish you all the very best, guys, in your pursuit to passing your abstract reasoning test. Thank you.